were professional, friendly.
Every time you just walk in the door, everyone's extremely friendly. There's cookies, there's coffee.
It was a great environment to go in and get my car looked at.
I particularly like the mechanic who worked on my car.
The workmanship was excellent. My car looks brand new.
I was actually happy to come see them when I had to come check in.
It was very efficient getting in and out the door. Quality was great, and I definitely recommend it to friends and family.
They were the first place I considered for any kind of issues with my car.
The shop was immaculate. It was very clean.
They are right on as far as being there, letting you know every step of the way what's going on.
It looked actually better than what it did before I had it.
You couldn't even tell that I'd been in an accident.
They really take away all the stress.
The whole process was seamless and easy, and they were super friendly.
The car is always super clean when I pick it up.
They were super helpful and very kind.
They tell me when it's going to be done and how long it's going to take, and they're always there.
They're not only repaired, they're clean, they're polished.
We love them. They gave us updates along the way.
Everybody here is warm and friendly.
I would definitely recommend, and I would definitely come back anytime if I needed it.
They were great people, and I'd absolutely recommend them to a friend.
I could not recommend a better place for your car or truck to go.
I can't wait to get into my next accident so that I can come back again.
We're really glad we came to this one.
Collision 1. Auto body like it never happened.